I love dimensional cards when it comes to doing something different. However, sometimes I don't have the time or the patience. Across a series of little videos, I'm going to show you different techniques to do these gorgeous dimensional cards that you see behind me. To start off with, we're going to start with a tier card. So a tier card is literally made up of an A4 piece of card. Now you can use a pencil and you can use a ruler and then a scoreboard, but my top tip is to use a paper trimmer and an embossing tool. The reason being is that it's quickness and you can get things done very quickly. So the measurement for a tier card is 4.6. So what I've done here is I'm using an embossing tool and I'm using this track in my paper trimmer. So my first score line is 4.6, and this is why it's such quick when you want to do dimensional cards to do this technique. So 4.6 is there, and then I use my embossing tool and go down 4.6. Then my next one is 9.5, so I find 9.5, there it is, like so, and score again all the way down. And then my next one is 19.8, so keep moving along and then score. And it's literally that easy, everybody. And my last one is 24.8, which is there, and then I score. And then that gives me 4 score lines, and I simply go in and out. I do that on both sides, in and out, and this creates this tier card. And you can use it this way, or you can then do it this way. You can make it into gatefold, and it goes completely flat into an envelope. So have a go and happy crafting.